Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take a screenshot on Bluestacks. Download the app first and just open whatever you want on Bluestacks, for instance, Chrome. To take a screenshot, there's this button here above the screen recording. So select this one to take a screenshot, or select Ctrl-Shift-S on your keyboard. So I'm going to take a screenshot right now. And it's going to be saved in my pictures or wherever you choose to save that in. Here, as you can see, I did take a screenshot of that. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.